Good morning, dear student. I want to revise it again, your Roman numeral. First, we have to revise our 7 standard Roman numerals. What is your 7 standard Roman numeral? I किसके पास गया था? Vx के पास क्या लेने गया था? LCD और किसको दे दी थी? M को. This is the sequence. You have to learn this 7 standard value of your in Roman numeral. Now what is the value of I? 1. V value 5. Then I told you again you have to write 1, 5 like that. 1, 5 and then 1. After writing, what you have to do, put 1 0 in the both side 1 and 5. Then after increase your 0 here 2 times, here also 2 times, and here now you will increase 3 times. Now after getting the value of I is 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C 100, D 500 and M value is your 1000. These are the 7 Roman numerals. Based on this 7 Roman numeral, we will find another Roman numeral. How can see? Now look at here, these are the some Hindu Arabic number 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80 and 90. We are changing this 2 in Roman numeral. So if you will see, first one is your 1. 1 you have to denote in Roman numeral I. So 1 you have to write 2 times, then number it become 2. So here you know it very well, and easily you have to learn that your class always you are writing in Roman numeral. 3 how to write it, your class in Roman numeral in previous one class like that. Now 4 what are you writing in Roman numeral like that I, then after you are making this V, this is the 4. Then after 6 what you have to make V and I. You have to learn 2 to 9 your Roman numerals. For 7 you have to write 6, then after 1 6 plus 1, it means you have to write the 6 Roman numeral first, then after one more I because we write 1. So this is the 7 Roman numeral VII. And one more thing, we can if I am writing here like that, it means this number is your V and I. You can separate also, you can write like that also. Now for 8 you have to write 7 again, and for one more I you will add it. Now it become your 8. And 9, this is the 9 I, and X, this is your 9 Roman numerals. Now you have to comparison from this Roman numeral, we have to make your another one digit Roman numeral. How? कैसे बनाएंगे अपन? देखो look. Here I am using II because I am taking 1. Now 20, what you have to take? 10. 10 plus 10, it become 20, and then 10 Roman numeral is your X. The number it is your X 2 times because 10 is also 2 times, that's why X also it will come 2 times. For 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then after X. Roman numeral always repeat only 3 times, not maximum 4 times. For 40 you can't write X 4 times. For 40 what you have to do? Just comparison one another one. What you have to write here first I, then after V. For Roman numeral I, then after V. Now for 40 what you have to write first X, then after L. Why I am writing X and L? Because if you remember subtraction 1 rule, I told you. What is the subtraction rule? First digit will be your smaller and second digit will be your bigger. See this XL Roman numeral, if I am writing X means 10, L means 50. So first digit is your smaller, second digit is your bigger. So what operation you are taking? Subtraction. So you have to subtract 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So 40 Roman numeral is your XL. We are learning, we have to remember, like you are remember that your table now, so you have to remember this Roman numeral. It will be easy if you will remember it. Now next Roman numeral, again we have to comparison this one, V and I we are writing, V and I. So here in this one, what you have to write first? L, then after X. It's comparison. If you are doing comparison, it will be easy. Now that next one, VII. You are writing here VII. Then you have to write here LXX. 60. This is the 60. 60 plus 10, 70. For 80, again you have to write LXXX. This number is your 70. 70 plus 10, 80. For 90, you can't write for 90 LXXX and then an again, because this 4 it coming, this Roman numeral it's coming 4 times, or we are not taking 4 times any Roman numeral, so this number is your wrong. This Roman numeral is your wrong. So for 90, we are again comparison from this one. First you have to write I, then after X. So in this one, what you have to write? First you have to write X, then C, X, then C. X and C, first number is your 10 and second number is your 100. So what you have to do? First number smaller and second number bigger. So you have to do subtract like that, 100 minus 10 and the number it become 90. Always you have to subtract from bigger one digit. जो बड़ी होती है उसमें से ही अपन subtract करते हैं. From bigger one you have to subtract the another one number. You have to learn this Roman numeral, and after learning your Roman numeral we can solve our exercise. Look at this one. Write the predecessor of the following. What is the predecessor of the following? First you have to convert into Hindu Arabic number. Then after easily you can find out predecessor. See, this X is your 10 and this XI. This XI, you don't know XI. So first you have to write again here. This first Roman numeral is your X means 10. This X means again 10 and this I means 1. Then the number it's your 21. Then 21. If you got here Hindu Arabic number 21, so what you have to do? Subtract minus 1 for predecessor. So you have to subtract minus 1 predecessor, then you will get here 20. And what is the 20 Roman numeral? XX. Understood? Next one. Here X and L. XL. What is the XL? 40. So you have to write here XL 40 and I is your 1. The number it become 41. Now 41 predecessor means you have to subtract 1, then you will get here 40. And what is the 40 Roman numeral? XL. Another one, 10 plus 10. Now IX. What is the IX here? What is the IX? IX is your 9. So you have to add it again 9. The number it become 29. What is the predecessor of 29? 28. And how can you write it? X, this is the 20. Then after 20 is over, in 28 you have to write 20 plus 8 like that. So 20 it's over. Now it's turned 8. 8 in Roman numeral, how can you write? Like that. This is the 28. Now next one you have to do as a practice. Now write the successor of the following. Successor means you have to increase one number. So once you have to find out Hindu Arabic number of this. What is the Hindu Arabic number of 10 plus this IX is your 9. Here the number is your 19. If your successor you are getting of 19, then you have to do plus 1. If you are finding successor of 19, then you have to do plus 1. Then number it become 20, and 20 in Roman numeral XX. this XL is your 40. XL means 40. For 40, then after you have to add plus 1, then you will get here 41. And what is the Roman numeral XL? Because 40, then after 1 you are using I Roman numerals. Remaining 2 you have to do as a homework. If you are learn this Roman numeral, it will be definitely easy. So you have to learn this Roman numeral at least 20, XX, 30, XXX, 40, XL, 60, LX, 70, LXX, 80, LX 3 times, and then 90, XC. Next one, write the Roman numeral for the following. For 500, what is the Roman numeral 500? You can see in standard 1 value. This is the D. D is your Roman numeral. For 44, you have D is your Roman numeral. For 44, you have to break your digit like that. 40 plus 4. 40, what is, you can write it XL, and 4 you have to write I and V. Now for 39, how can you write 30 plus 9? And 30 X 3 times, then 9 I or X. 100, which Roman number? C. Now you have to convert another one in Hindu-Arabic number. This is the 8. This is the XL. 40 plus 2, 42. D is your 500 and L is your 50 in Hindu-Arabic number. Next one. Put the correct sign, which one is a greater, which one is smaller, in the box. So first again we have to write in Hindu-Arabic number. Roman numeral, when you have to convert in Hindu-Arabic number, then after easily you can put sign, which one is a greater, which one is a smaller. This number is your 20 because XX 20. This number X means 10, and here 8. 10 plus 8, 18. So which number will be greater? 20. So you have to put sign like that. Here now easily you have to do it, this numbers, Roman numerals. Now question number 6. Write the Roman numeral as Hindu-Arabic numerals and perform the operation. So write this solution, you have to write in the Roman numeral. So first here down one, some box are there. So we are using for Hindu-Arabic number. This number is your 3 and this number is your 5. Then 3 plus 5, 8. So how to write 8 in Roman numeral? V means 5, 6, 7, 8. Now next one, L. L is your, look at our chart, L is your 50. So you have to write here 50. Then after this 10 plus 10 plus 10, it's your 30. It's your 30. And here the sign is your minus. So you have to correct it. Here will also come minus 1 sign. Here is also will come minus 1 sign. Here some misprint is there. So you have to correct it in book also. 50 minus 30, it's your 20. And 20 in Roman numeral, how can you represent it? Like that. Now remaining 2 you have to do as a practice in your book only. Write the Roman number as Roman numeral and then perform the operation. Now it is given opposite thing. Here is the given in Roman numeral and we are finding like that. But here is given in your Hindu-Arabic number. So you have to change it now. This 10 it's become is your X. This 20 is your X and X. 10 plus 20 is your 30. How can you write this 30 in Roman numeral? X, X, X 3 times. Now 28 minus 21 means 7. 28 minus 21 means 7. Now how can you write 28? 20 plus 8. So you have to write first X, X and then 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times. Then after for 21, X, X and I. If you subtract this Roman numeral from this one, then you will get 7. Now next one, third, and C easily you can do it. D I am solving for you because here the number is your 49 and here 44. If you subtract 49 if you are subtracting 44 in 49, then you will get 5. Now 49 means 40 plus 9. 40 Roman numeral XL and 9 Roman numeral IX. For 44, 40 plus 4 XL and then IB. And for 5, you have to write 5 Roman numeral. This is your exercise 2.6. We have not done through WhatsApp, so you have to done now. And now as a homework, you have to do which one I left in this exercise. You have to do, and this questions you have to in copy. This one, you have to do in your copy. Third, 4, 5, 6 and 7 you have to fill in your book. These are the homework. And one more thing, you have to do this also. You have to write first this 7 standard Roman numeral, then after write this Roman numeral also. One more thing, if you have not done your exercise 2.5, those who have done, no need to do again, but some student may be not done. So how can you do it? I already explained in my previous one class, round of one concept. Here once again I explain you, and then you have to solve that all part of questions. See, here I am writing counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I told you 1 to 4 are your normal people and 5 to 9 are police, and police always gives you 1. Police always gives to you 1. Now how can it give it? Now see, what is the condition in 196? Nearest 10. So which one is it? We have to block it. Tens one. Ones and tens. This digit we have to block it. I blocked this 9. I caught this 9. मैंने इसको पकड़ लिया है tens वाले digit को, because it given in our condition. Now this 9 want to go out. उसको बाहर निकलना है. तो वो किसको देखेगा? अपने पास वाले person को. Who is near to 9? Who is near to 9? 6. And 6 is in police. So police give to you 1. Police give to 1 to 9. If in 196 police give to 1 9, then number it will be here. You have to add here. 9 plus 1 10. Then 1 will be carry or up 1. Then 1 plus 1 2 20. And the back side who help, then we are replace the digit there 0. Then number it will become 200. Who are helping, they will leave their place and we are replace their digit by 0. जो help करते हैं वो छोड़ के चले जाते हैं और उनकी digit अपन किससे fill करते हैं? 0 से. Same 2 1 2 ones tens. This is the tens one digit. And this tens again take help of near one digit. Near is your 2. 2 is coming in normal people. Normal people can't help. So this digit will be remain same. 2 front one digit you have to write first. Then after this circle one digit, because it not change. And this 2 normal people can't help. They are leaving their place. And here will become instead of their place 0 will come. This is the nearest 10. Now we are doing nearest 100. You have to circle 100 one digit, and 100 will be take help of near one person 2, and here the near one person is 1. 1 in coming in normal people. Normal people can't help. Then a digit will come as it is. जो सर्कल में वो digit as it is आ जाती है, और जो हेल्प नहीं करता पीछे वाली डिजिट्स क्या हो जाती है? सारी जीरोज हो जाती है. 0 and here is also 0. Back side one digit will be 0. Before circle, what is the digit you have to write same, but after the circle you have to replace with 0 their digit. Now you have to do more in exercise. Use this concept and it will be easy for you.